In order to use the Viking engine, you have a small header tank in the airplane where your entire fuel system, such as drains and pumps and returns and everything, takes place inside this little tank. Now, the tank has to be full of fuel all the time, and you can't just like get gravity feed from the left tank and the right tank and then think that that's going to flow in reliably unless you get air out of the header tank. And the simplest way to do that is just run a line from the top of the header tank to the top of the wing tank. And some airplanes already have the bungs, some already have the hoses there if they used to have an ejected engine in there. This airplane had a bung. We could feel it through the filler neck, and we just took the skin off. It's actually a very quick thing to do. Take the rivets out of just the top part of the front wing skin, fold it back, lift the tank out, vacuum everything out, clean it all up, put the new fittings in there, and then just run an aluminum vent line into the airplane. And that makes it a reliable system where you don't have to worry about the header tank not getting the continuous gravity feed that it needs to stay safe. Alright, so we just pulled all the rivets out of the top skin because we knew that we had a bung right there. So we're going to make that our vent. Tank is out. Alright, so we finished the fuel tank setup. I'm going to close it back up. We pull the tank. We put in just a 3/8 piece here, heavy wall aluminum. Notched that in, brought it across the tank and out here, and looped it around so there wouldn't be any kink in the hose, and back into the existing bung that happened to be in this tank right there. So we were able to use the existing tank with the bung out here to vent it, and we didn't go down, we went up, so it's never have fuel in it. It'll just be a really good vent for the header tank. And then we changed to 5/16 right there, and that's already been routed into the airplane. And then this guy, we just bent it forward a little bit so we could avoid the structural part of the airplane right there. And then that's ready for venting to the header tank. So we'll do that only on one side to get a good vent.